Ever feel like your brain is a cluttered attic, overflowing with half-baked ideas, to-do lists, and that one recipe you swore you saved somewhere? We've all been there, juggling projects, managing tasks, and keeping track of inspiration can feel like a constant battle. Notion, with its sleek interface and powerful customization options, has become a productivity powerhouse for many. But is it the ultimate solution? The truth is, there's no single best app. What works wonders for your best friend, the organization guru, might leave you feeling trapped in a labyrinth of endless toggles and databases. So, let's crack open the digital toolbox and explore some alternatives that might be a better fit for your workflow. Contenders for the productivity crown. First up, we have the minimalist champion, Bear. Imagine a beautifully designed notebook that can handle complex tasks. Bear excels in note-taking, with powerful tagging and linking features that let you weave your ideas together seamlessly. Think of it as a digital bullet journal on steroids, perfect for those who crave a clean and focused workspace. On the other hand, if you're a visual thinker, Milanote might be your match. This platform thrives on a board-based layout, allowing you to drag and drop notes, images, and files freely. It's like a virtual corkboard on steroids, ideal for brainstorming sessions, mind mapping, and keeping track of project assets. Trello enters the ring as the king of collaboration. With its intuitive Kanban boards, Trello excels at project management, allowing you and your team to visualize tasks, track progress, and assign responsibilities with ease. It's a fantastic option for teams of all sizes, keeping everyone on the same page and moving forward efficiently. Now, for the power users who crave a true all-in-one solution, ClickUp might be the answer. ClickUp throws everything but the kitchen sink into its feature set, offering tasks, notes, docs, chats, whiteboards, even a built-in mind mapper. It's a comprehensive powerhouse with a bit of a learning curve, but for those who can master it, ClickUp offers unparalleled control over their workflow. Finding your productivity sweet spot. The key to choosing the right app lies in understanding your work style. Are you a visual learner who thrives on mind maps and mood boards? Milanote might be your perfect match. Do you crave a clean, distraction-free environment for note-taking and brainstorming? Look no further than Bear. Is seamless collaboration with your team a top priority? Trello's Kanban boards have you covered. Don't be afraid to experiment. Many of these platforms offer free plans or trials, so take them for a spin and see which one sparks joy and productivity in your workflow. Beyond the apps, building a sustainable system. Remember, the perfect app is just one piece of the puzzle. Here are some bonus tips to build a sustainable productivity system. Set realistic goals. Don't overload yourself with too many tasks. Schedule breaks. Information overload is real. Take time to declutter your mind. Review and adapt. Regularly assess your workflow and adjust your methods as needed. Ultimately, the best productivity system is the one that works for you. So, ditch the one-size-fits-all mentality, explore your options, and create a system that empowers you to reach your full potential. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.